Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're on episode number 6 of my Organize and Declutter with Me whole house series. Today we're doing like an extra bedroom that we have and my loft area. So my extra bedroom is kind of like another playroom. It's just got toys in it. And we do some DIYs in this video, just cheap like Dollar Tree DIYs. Then we clean out my loft. Not a ton of decluttering, but I did have to like get rid of a chair and some pictures and stuff from my loft area. So there is like some bulky items going out, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Okay, so this is an extra bedroom that we have. It's really like a guest bedroom, but my girls have taken it over. So it's their like quote unquote house that they've made it into. So like they've got all their little kids in their beds, and then another little couch crib thing, all her kids. That's all their animals, which I would like to do something with this, like kind of fence them in or something that she's got over here. Little stroller, a bathtub for her baby, refrigerator, kitchen set. And then like more stuff for kids. So that's what this room is. And then I have a Christmas tree up from Christmas. I kind of just keep it in here year round and decorate it with the seasons because it's right by the window. But what I would like to do in here is, this room does not really need decluttering. It's just got her babies and their stuff and like kitchen stuff in here. That's all that's in here. So what I would like to do is try to straighten up a little bit. I would like to get a little fence thing for like her animals somehow, and I would like to put a rug in here, and then I'd like to do something that's kind of, you know, not too expensive art wise up here. So the first thing we're gonna do is just kind of straighten up, and then we'll go from there. So first thing we're gonna do is just kind of like scoot some of this stuff over. Those are her baby bottles, a little tub, and a stroller. And this is a little thing for her dolls. This underneath here can get put away. I'm gonna pick up some stuff that doesn't go in here. Then we got some books. Okay, and then in here we've just got like some fidgets. We've got like her little ice cream set over here. Door, she's got like this little thing to carry her babies in, and then a little apron. And this is all of her kids' shoes. So we're gonna leave that in here. These are like hair bows and also like little beach stuff for her kids. Leave that in there. And then up here, she's just got like baby clothes and then her toddler's clothes. Okay, so I found this and thought it was a great idea. This is like little fence posts from Dollar Tree. It's like a little garden fence. And it's actually really convenient because it just hooks right in. And then if you're not using it, I can just fold it off. But I was gonna use this as a fence for her little animals in here. So we're gonna set this up. Okay, so we're gonna so now they've got a little fence for their animals. That's so cute, and that like worked out so great. Okay, so you're gonna take like a napkin holder. These are from Dollar Tree. Then we're gonna take some yarn and put it on here, kind of wrap it around until it looks like this. And now we're gonna hang it on the wall. So then we hung them up and put the artwork in them. So this is the size rug that I'm gonna need. I just put it in here from the loft because until I can find one that I actually like for in here. But this is what it's gonna look like. So this is how it turned out. This is a cheap way to add some art or color to your walls, and just grab some canvases and let your kids decorate them and then hang them up as artwork. And I was hoping I would find a rug that I liked before I posted this video, but I'm still on the hunt for a rug, so I've not found one that I liked to put in there yet. Okay, so today we're doing my loft area. Yeah, this has kind of turned into a mess, so we're gonna fix it. We're gonna go through this and kind of declutter a little bit if there's anything to declutter. This is our fish tank. This is like a quarantine tank we have. That pretty much stays as is. This, we use that to quarantine fish. This is only up here for like a week out of the month, and then it goes back downstairs. But we had moved it in here, and then I had some stuff over there, and now it's here, and now I have a chair pushed in the corner that I've got to figure out what to do with. That's my desk. Just a little bit of decluttering, baby dolls, yeah, my books. So yeah, we're gonna go through some of this stuff and get rid of the chair, put up the frames, go through this. So we're gonna start right here. I've tried to like color organize a lot of these. So like these are like whites and blues. Just gonna kind of go shelf to shelf and take everything out, and then we will dust. I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you. I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you. I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend.
be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Oh, cause I'm missing you. I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Oh, cause I'm missing you.
So these are some of the things I'm getting rid of. Just this vase, this Las Vegas thing, and this jar. I'll probably just list them on Poshmark or something.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Oh, cause I'm missing you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Oh, cause I'm missing you.